Hi guys, welcome to Freshers World YouTube channel. A great news for you, Kodland is hiring through us. It is hiring for sales representative and let us see who are eligible for this notification. MCOM, BBA, MA, BCA, MBA, BTech, BCom, BA, MCA candidates are all eligible for this notification. Now let us see what is Kodland. Kodland is a new startup company which is coming to India, Russia's #1 coding platform for kids, has expanded globally and we are looking for talented individuals to grow our team in South Asia. Now let's come to our main point, which are roles and responsibilities. Sales representatives will conduct complimentary demo programming lessons via Zoom to both parents and the child. This is the combined role of teaching and selling our courses, where you provide an insight to what our courses are like to and to encourage the clients to book with our school. We want proactive, target-driven candidates that can conduct a brief, fun and practical programming exercises. This is a freelance position. You are guaranteed a minimum of 20 hours a week, but we are happy and able to provide extra hours up to a maximum of 40 hours. Don't know programming? Don't worry, we'll train you. We provide detailed and insightful training. The work timings can accommodate various schedules. So guys, even if you want to do part-time, there is option and there is a fixed amount of salary, but still you are always able to earn extra. Why? Because of these extra hours. So now let's talk about requirement of the candidate. So clearly, as it is pure work from home, your own computer with a webcam and a stable fast internet connection, an outgoing and approachable personality, ability to easily create a rapport with children and their parents. Solid presentation skills, you must have excellent communication skills, friendly, patient and professional comportment, knowledge in IT and tech savvy, strong communication skills, and the last point, must be open to working on shifts dependent on our internal clientele. So let's see what they are offering. A competitive bonus structure can earn a very generous bonus, which is 1,40,000 rupees in a month, an opportunity to work with our international teams and clients, full training and remote work from anywhere in India, ability to grow rapidly with multiple career progress opportunities, staff discounts on all our major products to your family and friends. So all the best guys. A lot of people will be coming into this category, so much more competition would be there. So all the best guys. If you are meeting this eligibility criteria, do check the link in the description below. We are coming up with much more interesting videos for you. Do like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.